In a world that's so divided, why does a female-only gym make sense?
There's a lot I can say there. Can I answer it from a woman's point
Mama,
of view?
shoot, floor's yours.
Let's do that. From my side, my classes, from the age of 19, before when I was younger, but it got worse from the age of 19, I was sexually harassed. So now it's like, how do I then provide a safe space for women without them having to expose their past? Because most of the time we don't want to talk about it.
Yes, ma'am.
So women go to the gym, you say hi to her, and she just blows up. Yeah, my daughter. They're all the same, and you know, and it's not because you did something; it's because of the trauma that she went through.
She never healed.
But now she's coming to the gym to work.